Namaskar. Nowadays, we see many people suffering from liver issues. Many young people are facing such health conditions. Our food plate has changed a lot. Processed, ready to eat, and outside food has become very common. We consume them without knowing what makes these food products. Today I am going to tell you about some of these very common food items. All of these food items contain very harmful ingredients like unhealthy fat, high sodium content, high levels of added sugar, many artificial additives, highly refined carbohydrates, and chemical toxins. Many of us consume these foods very regularly without knowing its ill effects. I would say that these foods are silent killers. Let me tell you one by one. Number one, common packaged snacks like chips, kurkure, and namkeen. You see, all these products are very tasty and have a long expiry dates. To achieve this, many artificial additives and preservatives are added to these products to enhance their flavors and prolong their shelf life. These additives contain chemicals that the liver has to process and eliminate. This puts extra load on liver and even damage. Number two, burgers, vada pav, samosa pav, and bhajiyas, and all other deep fried food you eat from outside. Some of these may be your favorite items, but understand, all of these are fried with unhealthy oil, which are used again and again, increasing the content of trans fat. They are also high in calories, which causes obesity and fatty liver disease. If you can cook them at home, then once in a while you can enjoy, but refrain from eating them from outside and on a regular basis. Third, instant noodles, pasta, and instant soups. These are also highly processed and high in preservative. They are made with refined flour. They are low in fiber, devoid of all nutrients. They contribute to water retention, liver damage, and fatty liver disease. So stay away from them as well. But homemade whole grain pastas and noodles with healthy ingredients can be enjoyed once in a while. It's the instant noodle and pasta which are not healthy. The next is ready to eat frozen snack. Most of these frozen food items are half cooked, frozen, and sold. To increase their shelf life, a lot of additives and preservatives are added to them. These additives and preservatives are very harmful to liver, as they may contain chemicals that the liver has to process and eliminate. So don't be lazy. To cook fresh, eat fresh. The last one are cold drink, packaged fruit juices, and shakes. These ready-to-drink beverages contain high level of added sugar and synthetic colors. They cause an instant spike in insulin, increasing insulin resistance, and slowly contribute to liver damage. Be mindful of their consumption. So it's important to be aware of these foods and limit their consumption to maintain a healthy liver and lead a healthy life. Our liver is a vital organ responsible for filtering toxins from the blood, aids digestion and storing nutrients. So we should take good care of it. If you want to eat certain items, you can always cook these things at home with fresh nutrients, with fresh and healthy ingredients. Along with the right food, regular physical exercise is very important to maintain an ideal weight and keep the liver healthy. Your liver deserves some love and care too. Namaskar.